Hello there, John here. I'm on my little D4 Caterpillar climbing off, and we're putting this driveway in here. Got a 60-foot culvert, and you're probably wondering why in the world such a big culvert. Well, the reason is he's got a humongous travel trailer, and he needs a big area to get in, and since the driveway is going out darn near at a 45-degree angle to the road, there's my chief means of transportation on this job, a Schwinn from the 1980s. So anyway, it's got to go straight out here right behind the Caterpillar. Then we're going to bring a curve around so a car can go out the other way. But what you're probably wondering is, what in the world is all this stuff here? What it is we hit a mud hole here, and instead of hauling this out and bringing it back in the form of recycled gravel, which is what we've got underneath the cat, we just move it from there to here, and it's basically free gravel, and this big stuff is a lot better than anything little that you'll get. So try and save the customers some money and save the environment by less trucking. So I guess that's it.